10 reasons why beating children is not an effective or appropriate form of discipline. First one is emotional damage. Physical punishment can cause long term emotional trauma, leading to issues such as anxiety, depression, and low self esteem. I'm sure none of us as parents would want our kids to grow up with them. Second point, modeling violence. Children learn by example. They will not learn by what you're teaching them, but they will learn what they see from you. If they see violence as a way to solve problems, they might adopt similar behaviors. Third, damages your relationship. Physical punishment can damage the trust and bond between parent and child, leading to a strained relationship. Fourth, behavioral problems. Studies show that children who are physically punished are more likely to exhibit aggressive and antisocial behavior. And a lot of parents need to understand that having an antisocial behavior is the root cause of the beginning of depression. Fifth, ineffective long term. Physical punishment might stop a behavior temporarily, but it doesn't teach the child why the behavior is wrong or what they should do instead. All that you're doing is just closing them right there without giving them a reason. Logical reasoning, making them understand, is a very important point. 6. Legal and ethical issues. In many places, physical punishment is illegal and considered a form of child abuse, leading to legal consequences for parents. In our country, we don't take this up too seriously. But if you have to go to Europe or US, you would understand that how serious a legal action can be taken against you if you were doing this. 7. Physical harm. Physical punishment can accidentally cause serious injury, especially if parents act out of anger. My dear parents, it's not just this. It's not just the physical harm that you end up doing to your child at the end of the day. The amount of mental damage that you're doing by doing this act of yours is unimaginable and irreparable. 8. Undermines communication. It discourages open communication, making children less likely to talk to parents about their problems or mistakes. They will never come to you. They will never be able to sit in front of you and tell you if they have an issue, if they have a problem, because you have portrayed to them as a person who is not approachable, who cannot be approached when they are in stress or when they are in some kind of danger. 9. Hinders learning. Fear of punishment can hinder a child's ability to learn from their mistakes and develop critical thinking skills. We completely restrict and put them in a cage by this act of ours. Please be very thoughtful the next time, even when you raise a hand on your child. 10. Better alternative exists. My dear parents, please understand that violence is never the solution to any problem, be it when it came to the level of our country, India, or be it at the level of your child. Positive discipline techniques such as timeouts, logical consequences, positive reinforcement are more effective in promoting good behavior and fostering a child's healthy parent relationship. My dear parents, please give this a thought and please try and put this in your bloodstreams so that the next time, even if the thought of hitting your child or beating your child comes to you, these 10 pointers can flash in your head and it can restrict you from doing the same. Please do this, please try it out and make the relationship that you have with your child the best that it could ever be. Thank you. Bye.